We will not succumb to the blackmail of one term. We will not succumb to the threats of one term. We are committed to the transformation of our nation. We are transforming our country. We are transforming our agriculture so that we can get rid of the shame of hunger. You have no plan. We are transforming our education so that no child is left behind. We are transforming our economy so that it becomes inclusive and Kenya can walk as one united nation. We are transforming our healthcare so that even ordinary citizens can go to hospital in our SHA program, and we will never succumb to your blackmail and your threats of one term, because we know where we are going as a nation.